What is up, guys? God bless you all and welcome back to another video. Today we came to race again. Let's go! Let's go! So yeah, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I hope all of you been doing great. Today is another track day and I came with the Sentra. Of course, you guys saw the modifications that we did the last couple videos, but if you haven't seen them, let me give you a recap, all right? So we got the new wires, we got new spark plugs, we got the SR20 DE coil pack, we have a new alternator, we actually got the smaller intercooled piping. Besides that, I raised the boost to 10 psi. I added more timing, and also I have the air intake that goes basically all the way over here, and it goes straight to the turbo. So this should be the recipe to actually run faster today. I got my tires on low pressure today. I washed the car, and also I balanced the tires, so I hope everything works out well. So yeah, let's go to the lines. Let me get my racing suit, and that should be for now. So yeah, let's go. Clutch is sleeping. Thank you.
You got numbered as 3205. I know your number is 2365.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you. All right, so we did the first hit. We got 1606 at 89.50, and my clutch was slipping. Great. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. Can try to adjust the clutch a little bit. You know what? I'm gonna send another hit, and if it slip again like very badly, I'll try to adjust the cable a little bit. And if not, then I'm probably gonna have to go home because clutch slip very bad. 16.0, 89 miles. Thank you.
Yep, no problem. Let's put the call out from again with racers to return the lanes behind the lead.
All right, we got improvements. That's what I'm talking about. I'm having issues, tell you that right now, but we actually did 15.4, which is our best so far. All right, so we went ahead and actually we did our personal best so far. And this one is 1540 at 91.03. We got a better 60 foot at the Tesla because we run a Tesla. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to actually adjust the clutch cable. The clutch didn't slip as bad as the first pass. But yeah, let me adjust that and then go back to the line. So I got data this time. So yeah, we're looking great. Let's go. All right, so I went ahead and adjust my clutch cable. You guys can see it right here. Now you guys can see that it's actually like very loose. So basically it's applying a lot of pressure. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead again. I'm gonna review the data log that I did, and I'm gonna actually go ahead and stage the lines. The car was leaning out a little bit on the boost, but let me take a look at that data. Look at this baby boy, Junior Dragster. So I'm gonna actually review that data log, make some changes, and go from there. So yeah, let's go. Let's go! Let's go! We got him, baby. We got him. That's what I'm talking about. Oh man, our first one ever. We got him, boys. Hopefully we did a good pass. Then the camera even just turn around. Come on. Thank you. 1527. We still improving. Hey yo, look at that, bro. Thank you. All right. 1553 and 92. So actually we pick up an hour now. Hopefully we did something good. This camera, I hope it has the right angle. Thanks. It's another 515.2. Okay. Another 15.2. All right, so I can say we have a 15.2 car right now. 15.2 and 92. Okay. All right, so we just finally did our personal best. We actually ran 15.20 and 92.03, and that's actually our fast and pass. I'm very excited. Actually, that's the second 15.2 that we run today. Yeah, let's get in line again and see if we can do better. Let's go. Thank you. $15.7. Wow. Yeah, I broke the car bad. I think it's just because the car was won already. My clutch slipped. I was in front of him the whole time, and when I pulled forward, my clutch slipped again. Ah. Thank you. No, some of the stuff I didn't want broken. Wow. That was a good race.
Thanks, man. Sick car.
Thank you. All right, so I just finished racing Chevy Cobalt. She actually ran 1465 at 105, and I was ahead of him basically for most of the race until my clutch slept on 4. Looking at the numbers, he was supposed to beat me regardless, but yeah, my clutch slept, and that's it. So today we actually did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 passes, which is insane. We did 7 passes today, multiple 15-second pass, and I'm very happy right now. The car basically still drivable, is good. It just, I'm going to basically have to either, I need a new clutch basically at this point, or we have to drop the boost. But yeah, I'm very happy, I'm very proud, and thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, consider becoming a member, and I will see you on the next one. The goal is to run 14 seconds, and hopefully we'll do that soon. So yeah, God bless you all.